Whether you're managing test cases, overseeing test runs, or tracking defects, you can stay informed with notifications. To access your notification settings, click on your profile picture, and from the list of options here, select Notifications. Here you can configure the settings for each entity, for both email as well as in-app notifications. Let's try enabling notifications for test runs for when I'm assigned to a test run. Similarly, you can configure notifications for all of these entities here, based on your preferences. Let's assign Teresa to a test run and see how notifications appear in her workspace. Going back to Teresa's workspace, you can see that there's a notification in the app. Click on the hyperlink within this notification to go to the test run directly. Here is an example of the email notification that is sent. The email notification also has a hyperlink to the entity, as well as a link to manage your notification settings. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.